Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. How are you today? It's good? I hope everyone stay happy and healthy. Before we start our class now, let's pray to get together. Class leader, Iksan, please lead your friend to pray. Okay, thank you, Iksan. I hope this prayer will bring our learning today to be usable and enjoyable. My beloved student, I will take your presidency for today. Please check right, left, front, and back side. Did anyone that's not come today? There's no one? Alhamdulillah. It's mean our class today is complete. My beloved student, before we start the lesson, I will give you a beautiful sentence for motivation today. If you can dream it, you can do it. We must believe that we able to make our dreams come true even though you have encountered difficulties, but we must remember that after difficult there is ease. So keep spirit for fighting. Okay, it's time for us to move to learning session. Before we continue the lesson, do you still remember what was last week lesson? Who knows? Yes, right. Science process skills. Thank you. Does anyone know what we'll be studying today? No one? Miss will give you some clue. Let's see my PowerPoint. Right. Okay, you can see my PowerPoint? Yes. Everyone must have measured their height using a tape measure, measure with weight, with a scale, and know the duration of learning by looking at the clock. From the clue, and you know what the lesson today? No, it's still wrong. Please try again. Yes, right. It's measurement. Okay, my student, I will give you explain about our learning objective. One, students are able to analyze quantities in physics. Number two, students are able to use length measuring tools, mass measuring tools, and time measuring tools. And number three, students are able to discover how to read scales and write down measurement results. And number four, students are able to discuss measurement principles, accuracy, precision, and significant figures, how to use measuring tools, how to read the scale, how to write down the measurement rules. And number five, students are able to measure the density of marbles. Measurement is done once, and pebbles, it is done repeatedly with different size and the same types in group. Number six, students are able to carry out measurement using a balance, caliper or micrometer, and measurement using a measuring cup. Okay, you can see from my screen, you can see a table. The students argue over measuring the length of a table using spans. Alat aside, the table was 10 inches long, but Safira said it was 8 inches. Which is correct? Why are the size different? What is the right measuring tool for it? What tool is used to measure length? Okay, we can answer after we have learning session today. Okay, my student, measuring instrument is something that is used to measure a quantity. Various measuring instruments have a certain level of accuracy. It depends on the scale. The smallest measuring instrument, the smaller the scale listed on the measuring instrument. The higher the accuracy of the measuring instrument. Some example of appropriate measuring tools by magnitude, namely one. Okay, you can see the picture. This picture is rules. Rules is a long measuring tool with an accuracy up to 0.1 centimeter or 1 millimeter in reading the scale, the observer A position, our A position, must be perpendicular to ruler scale read. Okay, next. Do you know this picture? This picture is caliper. Caliper are used to measure an object with a length of a screw. Micrometer is a length measuring instrument with a degree of accuracy. The smallest is 0.01 millimeter or 0.001 centimeter. The small scale, non-use scale, and less than 1 millimeter, the small scale or level of accuracy of measure the length of an object, the diameter of ball, the thickness of a coin, and the diameter, the inside of the tube. Okay, you can see in the next picture is micrometer screw. A screw micrometer is a length measuring instrument with a degree of accuracy. The smallest is 0.01 millimeter or 0.001 centimeter. Okay, the micrometer screw has the small scale, non-use scale. On the screw, micrometer is located on the sliding jaw, while the main scale is located on the fixed jaw. Okay, let's move to the student worksheet. Okay, my student, do you can see my PowerPoint, my screen? Yes, please give me attention. Student worksheet for today. Okay, I will divide the group. One group each have 4 until 5 members. Please see the step to do your worksheet. The objective for our worksheet today is students are able to use measuring instrument for length, and what the material we need is rule, caliper, screw micrometer, material cube, and chemical glass. Okay, what's the work steps? Okay, firstly, tool calibration or house balance, caliper, screw micrometer. Next, measure all the materials around you using a measuring instrument, each of which your measure is a different material. Enter the measurement result into the data table. I will give you data table and personal reports. Each of you make a different measurement result report. Okay, you can see this is for data table. You can fulfill the table to magnitude that measuring instrument and material to be measured. Please answer correct answer. Okay, this is some question for your group. Discuss with your group mates politically. Work together to complete the following question. 1. Which is more accurate among the length measurement tools? Give your reason. Number 2. Report the measurement results shown in the following tool. Please see the picture and report the measurement result. And number 3. Where is measured using a screw micrometer. Then the fixed scale and the non-use scale show number like the picture below. Please see the picture. What is the measurement result? Okay, student. I think enough for today. Thank you for your great attention. And don't forget to next week, you must give presentation in front of a class about our discussion today. Please prepare and don't forget to do this homework, read and summarize the significant figures because the numbers you get from the measurement results are significant figures. Okay, student, thank you for your great attention. I think that's all. Sorry for my mistake. I hope you will stay happy and healthy. See you to the next lesson. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.